What are you kids doing? You've been on your screens all day. You should go outside and get some fresh air.
Does this look familiar? We know it's not healthy for kids to be on their screens all day. Am I right? What if I told you that there was a tool that will help your kids make good choices to manage their screen time?
Sounds good. Tell me more.
Goodtimer is an interactive, clock-like companion that glows with soft green lights and encouraging sounds that motivates kids to learn healthy habits that last. Goodtimer comes with a children's book that explains how to use Goodtimer at home. But wait, there's more. It also comes with 32 tokens in a green plus pouch kids can use to save their tokens in. But wait, there's more. It also comes with a convenient charger adapter too. When you get your Goodtimer, you set house rules you want your kids to follow. As long as your kids are following the rules, they earn good time. Once they earned enough good time, they can take a token and trade in the tokens for fun things they want.
Learn how you can manage screen time and encourage other healthy habits at GoGoodtimer.com.